Graphic and disturbing details came out today in the Lori-Vallow Daybell murder trial about how her two children were killed. The forensic pathologists who did their autopsies testified. Lori Vallow is charged with murder, conspiracy to commit murder, and grand theft in the deaths of her two kids, JJ and Tylee. Vallow is also charged with conspiracy and theft in the death of her husband, Chad Daybell's late wife, Tammy. News Channel 7's Shira Matsuzawa was at the Ada County Courthouse today. She walks us through what came out in court.
Explosive and graphic new details regarding how JJ and Tylee died came out today in court, and we learned those new details as a forensic pathologist took the stand. Dr. Garth Warren with the Ada County Coroner's Office conducted the autopsy on JJ and Tylee on June 11, 2020, just 2 days after investigators found their remains on their mother's fifth and current husband Chad Daybell's property. Warren says JJ's autopsy took about 4 hours. Tylee's took about a week because, as we've reported, her remains were burned. Today, Warren revealed JJ's cause of death was asphyxia by plastic bag over the head and duct tape over the mouth. When he described Tylee's cause of death, he said it was homicide by unspecified means, which means he can't pinpoint exactly what that was. Today, jurors were shown photos from those autopsies, but only the jury. The judge said those photos would be inappropriate to show the public because of the graphic nature and out of concern that the projector it would be shown on would blow them up. This morning, Lori Vallow's uncle, Rex Connor, spoke with the media as he arrived at the courthouse.
I'm hoping for a little bit lighter day, though, maybe some medical information, medical examiner information, and just some questions answered like we hope every day.
FBI Special Agent Steve Daniels was also back on the stand this morning. The court saw more photos from the burial site of JJ. Agent Daniels said the way the rocks were placed at the site, it was clear it was deliberate. He also talked about how someone placed planks in the burial site, and that stuck out to him because that's what someone would do to prevent wildlife from getting to the human remains. And JJ's grandparents, Kay and Larry Woodcock, were not in court this morning, but they showed up after the lunch break. And coming up on the news at 6, we'll explain why. At the Ada County Courthouse, Shira Matsuzawa, Idaho's News Channel 7.
And later this afternoon, a forensic anthropologist with the FBI took the stand and talked about the condition of Tylee's remains. We have more details on a testimony on ktvb.com. And for updates throughout the trial, you can visit this story on our website. And for more in-depth coverage from court, scan the QR code on your screen for a link to all of our coverage of the trial.